I knew it. Oh.
But the dash also turns off and it throws up 2 warning lights.
Right. Hello. So today I am meeting up with a friend who has purchased a new bike but hasn't told me what it is, so should be interesting. There's a car park somewhere here. All I know is that it's likely to be a 3-cylinder engine and a Triumph. Still not 100% sure what it's going to be. I hear a bike. Look at the beauty. The bike's not bad either. I knew it. Oh. God damn. That is a cracking deal you got there. Yeah, there's like nothing on the edges there. Completely slick.
Never mind the edges, the middle they're all.
Well, yeah, even the middle, but like, I know the Road Pilot 4s, they have like a little bald edge as well, but not like this big. It's more like that, but yeah, holy shit, man.
That is very clean.
It is, isn't it? The only bit that's like, I guess, slightly rusty is the radiator guard just there, and the center stand, which understandably.
Like, other than the last one, I literally just went.
I know.
Undertale brother.
I know, right? It's so nice. Like, oh, you got the arrow on it as well. Oh, that's beauty. I see you took the your beak off.
Well, that's the thing. Next thing I'm going to buy is going to be a helmet. 60 miles an hour. The helmet does this.
Oh, right, okay, so it just catches it, yeah.
Because it's...
That sounds so good. With that arrow exhaust. In fact, I've got my own an exhaust for this actually. It's an eBay special, but the problem with this bike is it's got two end cans, so kind of raises the price a bit, so you're kind of, if you want like a proper name brand or whatever. Yeah, there's a KN filter, I believe it's called, on eBay. Filter? No, exhaust. Lovely. Ducati Street Fighter. Oh, beautiful.
I thought that was a petrol station.
Same.
Yeah.
I mean, we can have a quick clean if you want. Oh, Jesus Christ, it's busy. Thank you. my god, my back just came right out there. No ABS is fine. Oh my god, my back slid for about what felt like 5 seconds there. Probably better the back than the front though. Does anywhere sell underwear around here?
Probably that.
I'm assuming you saw that. Obviously I didn't see how tight the corner was, and I started progressively braking, I should say, with both my front and rear, and I obviously went too hard on the rear because it just locked up and was coming out, and then and then it came back in. I was like, well. Yeah,
so that was stressful. I was clenching all the way in, and every time I saw you going through a patch of water that kicked up spray, I was like, oh.
You good? You alright?
I don't know.
That you didn't fall? Oh, okay. Jesus Christ, man! I thought you'd.
Yeah, no. It'll get randomly. The dash will turn off, turn on, and the bike will start to cut out.
Right.
And then it'll turn back on again.
Like the whole bike is turning off with just the dash.
No, it seems to be just like the fuel itself. Yeah, it's really weird. But then, it's as if it was not getting enough fuel suddenly. Like it would stutter, and then it keep going again. But the dash also turns off, and it throws up 2 warning lights.
Right. Hold on.
Definitely fuel in there.
Alright, maybe take it quite slow so you don't want that cutting out when you're.
It literally just started there, at this straight, and I was like, what the f is going on there? And then the dash.
Okay, man.
So yeah, I'll see why.
If you ride ahead of me, we'll just both take it slow. I'll find somewhere to turn up there. Right. Fuck. Hello.
I don't know. I just realised that because of that, missed a really good bit of road. Do you want to go back and do it again?
It's alright, honestly, like that. There was a couple of gravelly patches anyway, it's fine, I'm happy just going on. Do you want to take it to a garage or something? Just because I said, do you want to take it to a garage or something?
No, I'm sure it'll be fine.
You sure?
No, yeah.
Alright.
I'll look into it at home.
Okay.
Besides, it's Sunday. It's Sunday 4 p.m.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go to McDonald's and have a burger and think about it.
Alright. Borgor solves everything.